Kumsibenta ban rakhe ya jingdap san pos nam kajala megalia mentirang ba kajala konrad ke sangma haka atrek uram araja arwar ulawan ban plipai ba ya Shillong technology park ha sauli kani ka chaka ka don hajan ka NIFT new campus new Shillong kibala saki lang hakani ka jingpli ya Shillong technology park ki kentup yuba hamlet sandoling menteri wadikmi ya tanat information and technology sarkar jala ki officer lembat kwepat
proposal or a report from NASSCOM. They will always say and talk about the human resource that the Northeast has and the potential that the Northeast has in terms of the ITES sector. And so to be very, very frank and blunt with you, we are actually 20 years behind. This should have happened 20 years back. And we would have been able to take a huge advantage of it. But nonetheless, it's never too late. We realize that in the IT sector, the fact that the human resource is a very, very obviously critical part. All companies would like to ensure that they are able to connect and get the manpower at a much more larger scale and at a reasonable cost. And that is where this IT park plays an important role. So we have all our individuals, our youth going to Bangalore, to Bombay, and to other large metros where the cost of living is much higher, where the real estate cost is much higher, and obviously it leads to the employment aspect also creating and becoming higher. So therefore, this coming into the picture is going to help most of the companies cut their cost by a huge amount. So that's the number one factor that we have to remember. The second factor why this is important is because this location here will allow the companies to have a plug-and-play model. Now we have to realize that companies don't have time to spend a year or 2 years to build up their building and create the infrastructure and then start the project. They need ready-made infrastructure. They need to be able to start tomorrow because they get their contract for 6 months, for 1 year, and therefore a place where they can come in and plug and play is ideal for them.